All right, you guys, this morning I had a coaching call with one of the detailers that's in my coaching program. I gave him some advice on how to answer the phone, and we role played on that. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna cold call him, and we're gonna have Scotty here call him to see if he uses the new phone script. Now it's not to bash on him, it's to kind of track where he's at and to hold the people in my coaching program accountable. So let's see how he does.
Oh, hey, this is I'm out there serve you.
Yeah, I wanted to get my Model 3 detailed.
The Model 3?
Yeah. Do you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So yes, we do detailing. What year is your Model 3?
I think it's a 2018.
2018?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're probably looking for a full detail.
Yeah, I want a full detail.
Alright, and when were you looking to come in?
I mean, I have availability this next week.
Next week?
This coming week, I guess.
Okay, yeah, this coming week. What day work best for you?
I could do Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
Alright, 1 second. Let me look at the calendar. I believe we are available, but it's always good to make sure.
Yeah, I mean, I've been calling around at other shops and other places because I'm not, I don't know, I just want to trust the shop I choose. Is there any reason I should, go with you?
Yes, sir, because here we are the best and we specialize in detailing and all the little details matter. So, going with us would probably be
Okay.
the
Yeah.
best option.
I just want to make sure I get the best job done.
Not bad so far.
Not bad.
I think that we might have his cell phone and not the business phone because I gave him my cell phone. So
Yeah.
we have to check if his cell phone is the same. But regardless, he did say serve.
Yes.
And he is going straight into closing, not giving a price.
Yeah.
So he's just going, oh yeah, what day works best for you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you asked for a price, right?
Yeah, I'm
So-
gonna accidentally schedule this. You sold me. I don't know where you are. Kind of.
Oh, it is a different phone number.
Ah.
So shoot.
Oh, okay. He's calling back. Chancellor?
He's gonna know it's 805, yeah. But hang on. So before, if he's like, is this someone from Austin's team?
Yeah.
Then say, yeah, we're cold calling you. You did a great job.
Okay. Or if not,
Then you can keep going.
hello.
Hey, this is Jamal with Foster Auto Spot.
Hi.
Hey, I do apologize. We got disconnected there.
That's all right.
Alright, so yes, I was just opening up the schedule for Thursday. Seems like we have plenty of availability. What time works best for you?
Or probably in the morning.
Okay, in the morning. So the earliest we open up is at 8 o'clock. If that sound good?
Yeah, sure. That sounds good.
Awesome.
And I was just curious about the price before.
Yes, so a full detail on a small sedan will start, I believe it's 180. At 180, and then typically going from there, from if you have an extra look or dirt that hasn't been detailed in a while, or if everything is pretty normal.
Okay. I'm not sure if I can do that much. I might keep looking around.
Okay, so yeah, sure. I will let you know that we are the best, and here in Montgomery, we are the only ones that actually specialize in detailing. So
Specialize?
Yes, we specialize in detailing. So we take time, and real detailing takes time to go over all and make sure we got it right. So
okay.
Feel free to call around if you like, but
Okay.
we do take, and we have a 5-star rating as well.
Okay.
Because they really like the work that we do here.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. So which day did you said at 8?
Yes, Thursday 8 o'clock will be the earliest that we can get you in. That's when we open up. So if you want to get scheduled.
Yeah, let's do it.
Also, well, I'll send you over a link where you can make your deposit. Because all of our schedules, we take deposits in order to solidify their space. That way, nobody can get in front of you.
Okay.
Let me call you back with my card.
Okay, I'll call you back with my card.
You said you'll call me back?
Yeah, with my card.
Okay. Okay, awesome. Just reach back out. Like I said, we have Thursday open right now. I'll be looking forward for your call and speak to you soon.
All right, thank you so much.
All right now.
Bye.
Ignoring the fact that he didn't pick up the phone with 5-star auto spa because it's a cell phone.
Yeah.
Which that's no point against him.
Yeah.
I think he actually did great.
I think you did a pretty good job.
He had it positive tonality the whole time. Like he sounded energetic. You know, he could have. There's room for improvement. Obviously, there's always room for improvement.
Mm-hmm.
But what I'm most impressed about is he didn't go into prices. He didn't make it all about price.
No.
He literally went, okay, yeah, what days do you have available? What days work best for you? Let's get you on the schedule. And then even though, you know, he was caught off guard, he's like, oh, this is a business call on my cell phone. He still went back to, how can I best serve you?
Yeah.
So I'm really impressed. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to call him right now, and I'm going to praise him and tell him to keep on training.
Let's go, champ!
This is Austin with the Tintstitute.
Awesome.
Hey, man, you're crushing it. I just had Scotty call you to get a price quote. We wanted to see if you were using the new script that I gave you. How can I best serve you? And you most certainly did. And I got to tell you, I'm genuinely impressed with the way you just handled that phone call.
Okay, awesome.
So obviously you were caught off guard because we called your cell phone and not your business phone. So that's you know, no harm, no foul. But you immediately went back to how could I serve you? Your tonality was positive. And what I'm most impressed about is that when he asked for a price quote, you kind of just ignored that question and you more or less just tried to get him on the schedule. Like what are you looking for? What days work best for you? And you really just tried to assume that he was going to use you. So overall, I'm impressed. I'd give you a 7.5, 8 out of 10. Obviously, there's always room for improvement, but I'm excited to talk more about what you can improve upon on our next call. But overall, bro, if you just keep up that same positivity and refine what makes you different, you know what I mean? I'd say the one place for improvement is how you said we specialize in detailing. And then you went into, you know, all the details matter. We can refine that a little bit more, you know, like we talked about this morning by saying, hey, look, my name is 5-Star Auto Spa. We do that because we are not accepting any 4-star Google reviews, and we will stop at nothing to make sure that we make every single solitary customer happy. Does that make sense? And then wrapping it up with, does that make sense? How's that sound? Or does that sound fair? That way we're able to role play and see exactly behind the curtain. But man, you killed it. And another thing that you did that I was really impressed with is you used the word sir. You know what I mean? You're like, yes, sir. And so it was just overall really, really, really good. And I'm really proud of you for implementing that word, how can I best serve you, even though we accidentally called your cell phone. So you're doing great. Keep it up. And I'll look forward to our next call.
I appreciate it.
All right. Talk to you soon.
All right.
Bye-bye. Overall, did a great job.
Pretty good. Hey, pretty good.